You've been invited to join one or more of your shippers on Evotrux, and you might be wondering, what the heck is Evotrux and what can it do for my business? Well, the easy answer is that Evotrux is an online tool that streamlines how you and your shippers work together. So instead of negotiating and booking loads through hundreds of phone calls and emails, managing spreadsheets, notebooks, everything happens online in one easy to use system. This saves you and the shippers you work with time and effort and allows you to focus on growing your business. The screen you're looking at right now is your main Evotrux screen. I'm going to go through a few of the key points you're going to want to know before you get started. When you log into Evotrux, this is the screen you'll see. Here's all the available loads on the system. This is a record of all of your quotes that you've posted on the system. We're going to start over here in the network. So these are the shipper networks that you've been invited to join. In this case, I'm in these networks, but if you hadn't accepted the invite yet, there would be another button here that said accept invite or follow. Once you're in their network, you have access to their private shipments. If you ever don't want to be part of that network, you can just click to unfollow. So let's go back to the home screen. So you can see here that I'm looking at public shipments. So shippers have two ways they can post shipments on Evotrux. They can post them publicly, which means they go out to kind of the broader market. That's usually what they do when they don't have a carrier lined up for a load, or maybe they're looking at a new lane. But your shippers will be posting a lot of shipments privately just to their partner network. So you're going to want to look for partner shipments often. Shipments will show down here. So I've got two shipments from my partners, and I can see that this one is private, meaning this one has only gone to either myself or some people that they have in their network. So let's click on that. So once we click into a shipment, we can see all the shipment details below. This is for a load of pipe, 45,000 pounds. It's a flat deck, full load, going from Houston to Edmonton. I can ask the shipper a question if I need clarification on something. They'll answer me here. This is just a Q&A section. And when I'm ready, I can submit a quote. We'll just put in a rough estimate here, $5,000, picking up on the 21st, delivering the 25th. We have a flat deck, and we'll say that we can provide a tracking link. So we submit that quote, and now the shipper's received our quote, and we'll get notified here once they book our load. I'm going to show you what it looks like once you've booked a load. So let's go to this one that shows booked. So this is a load I booked previously. So once I've booked the load and my truck is on the way, if I'm able to provide a tracking link, I can just put the link in here. This is obviously just a fake Google Maps link, but if you're using Samsara or some system like that, you can put your link in, gives the shipper instant access to it, saves, reduces the amount of tracking calls you're going to have to deal with. And then we connect you directly with the shipper through live chat. So the basic shipment information is here, and you just communicate back and forth like you normally would. Hi, hello, back and forth. This is also where you can upload files, images, documents, so they can send you the bill of lading. You can send proof of delivery once the load is done. You can send your invoice, keeping everything all in one place. So it's easy to go back when accounting asks you what happened with that shipment 3 months later. All you got to do is punch in the PO number or look for the shipment that you booked, and you have all the information right in front of you. So that's the starting point. Create your free Evotrux account, join your shipper networks, and then start booking loads from them and other direct shippers on Evotrux. Thanks.